Hello to our favorite audience of Twinkle Thomas Food TV. Today we're going to make some potato fries with mashed potatoes, and for that we need to start with mashed potatoes, and you can use either the fork or any other type of tool for this. And whenever done, let's add to it some grated cheese, a little bit of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, a little bit of red pepper, and a little bit of black pepper. After, we'll need to add to this half cup of milk and 1 egg. Let's go on and just mix all of these ingredients together. And whenever all of these ingredients are totally mixed, we'll go on with cooking this, frying these potatoes. All we need to do is have in a bag, with the help of which we'll do some small things in the some small fries, let's say, in the olive oil which is being boiled, and it needs a couple of minutes to be cooked and then ready to be tasted. Prepare it with everything that you have, and voila, ready to be tasted. We hope you will really like it. Good appetite!